So s- is it my voice audible? Yeah, very good morning, guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about the last minute revision of JEE Mains. So hope my voice is audible well. If you have any problem, please comment me. Okay. So let's come to the first content. First chapter is units and dimensions. Units and dimensions. Units and dimensions. So coming to here, first of all, we should know what is physical quantity. Okay. So what is a physical quantity? The quantity which can be measured is called physical quantity. For example, height, weight, length, time. Of course, light, length both are same. Time and velocity, speed, distance, acceleration. All this comes under the physical quantities. Whereas coming to non-physical quantities are like feelings, angry, hungry. So those comes under non-physical quantities. Okay, physics always deals with the physical quantities only. So here in physical quantities there are seven fundamental physical quantities. Okay, seven fundamental physical quantities. Okay, seven fundamental physical quantities. They are the units of these seven fundamental physical quantities are called fundamental units. First of all, what are the meaning of fundamental physical quantity? Fundamental physical quantity in the sense the quantity which can be the quantity which can be which don't depend upon any other physical quantity. The which don't depend upon any other physical quantity is called fundamental physical quantity. Okay. And next, we are coming to the you. What are those seven fundamental physical quantity? First fundamental physical quantity is nothing but length. uh, Okay. First fundamental physical quantity is what length, and its unit is meter. Okay. CGS unit is centimeter, and symbol dimensional form of symbol is L. And next, second fundamental physical quantity. Coming to the second fundamental physical quantity, so it's not working. Coming to the second fundamental physical quantity, what is the second fundamental physical quantity is time. Let's take time. So time is the second fundamental physical quantity. So coming to, we indicate with the T. Okay, the time is indicating with here the symbol is T. SI unit of fundamental, I mean time fundamental physical quantity is second. Okay, second is the SI unit of fundamental physical quantity. And next, after CGS unit also second only. Coming to the third one, mass. If you take mass, right, SI unit of mass is kg, and CGS unit is gram, and the dimensional formula symbol is m. And next one, okay, after mass, the next one is temperature. Okay, so here SI unit is kelvins, and degree Celsius here, and then dimension formula is theta. Okay, and next, fifth one, current. Current is the fundamental physical quantity. So what is the meaning of fundamental physical quantity? The physical quantity which don't depend upon any other physical quantities are called fundamental physical quantities, or they don't derive from others. They are independent of others. Okay. So, and accept the fundamental physical quantities, all the physical quantities are derived physical quantities. Okay. So current, ampere, SI unit of current is ampere, and the dimension formula is A only. Next, we is coming to the sixth one, uh, intensity. Okay, intensity of light, candela. Units are candela, and dimension formula also D. And next, if you take yeah, after intensity, the next one is about the last one, amount of substance. Amount of substance. So coming to the amount of substance, mole. Okay. So dimension formula also you can write as a mole. So these are the seven fundamental physical quantities. And apart from this, there are two more supplementary physical quantities. Okay, ma'am? There are two more supplementary physical quantities. There is angle and solid angle. Okay, ma'am? Angle, units are radians, and one more is solid angle. Angle and solid angle. So units are steradian. Okay, sorry. Steradian. Angle and steradian. So here, angle in the sense, angle subtended by between two planes or two lines. Okay, so here, if it is L, the radius is R, then angle theta is equals to arc length by radius. This is distance, this is also distance. So here it is dimensionless, but that is what is called supplementary physical quantity. Okay, And next we are coming to the steradian. Steradian in the sense, for example, the angle subtended by solid angle. Okay, na? If you imagine here the solid angle, that solid angle is called nothing but steradian. If you take solid angle as a the symbol, then if the radius is r, then you will get, if the surface area of this is a, then solid angle steradian is equals to area by r square. Okay, area by r square. This is the solid angle. Clear? Next, after the fundamental physical quantities, after this supplementary physical quantities, so those comes under non-physical. Just a minute, let me check either it is coming properly or not. Yeah. So here it is dimensions, but it is, yeah. So coming to the next after supplementary physical quantity, so derived physical quantities. Derived physical quantities are the physical quantities which derived from the fundamental physical quantities. Okay, they derived from fundamental physical quantities. So for example, if you take area. Okay, for example, if you take area is equals to nothing but length into breadth. Okay, so here if I want to tell, area is a physical quantity which depends upon the length, right? Here we are utilizing length fundamental physical quantity for two times. That is why its dimension formula becomes L square. Means how many times does the fundamental physical quantity rise to represent the derived physical quantity? Okay, na? Represent the derived physical quantity is called dimension formula. Hope you understand, right? Now, for example, if you take volume, then length into breadth into height. So here, if you observe carefully, represent the volume of any. If you want to measure a volume, then you have to use length for three times. So that is why the dimensional formula becomes L cube. I hope you understand what is dimension formula now, right? So what is dimension formula? How many times does the fundamental physical quantities are raised to represent the particular physical quantity? Derived physical quantity is called dimensional formula of that physical quantity. Okay, na? So now volume is L cube. After volume, if you take density, density is equals to mass by volume, right now. So mass dimension formula is, sorry, mass dimension formula is M, and M by volume is L cube. M by L cube. So I can write as a M L to the power minus 3. So this is the dimension formula of density. And next, if I take a dimension formula for if I take dimension formula for speed, or I'll take velocity. So velocity is equals to displacement by time, right? Velocity is equals to displacement by time. So displacement is L, for time it is T. So now here I can write dimension formula for velocity L T power minus 1. Okay. Whereas coming to the acceleration dimension formula is equals to change in velocity by time is called acceleration. So velocity dimension formula is L T power minus 1 by T. So I can write it as a L T power minus 2. This is the dimension formula for acceleration. Now the force. Dimension formula force F is equals to ma. Then m dimension formula of mass is m. A for A it is L T power minus 2. So L T power minus 2. So this is the dimension formula for the force, right? So like this, whatever dimension formula you want, you can derive. Okay. For example, if you want dimension formula for work is equals to force into displacement. A force dimension formula is mlt power minus 2, and displacement formula is L, right? So then ml square t power minus 2, right? So here the work done is equals to energy now. So same dimension formula also for energy. For example, if you want to check dimension for, I mean, energy, kinetic energy is equals to half mv square, right? For m, dimension formula is m. For v, L t to the power minus 1 square na. Yes. Then you will get a dimension formula is m L t power ml square t power minus 2. So this is the dimension formula of okay. Hope you understand. And next, so like this, here you got a same dimension formula for work done and energy. So like this, whatever the dimension formula you want, you can derive. For example, if they ask dimension formula for h, here h is equals to nothing but Planck's constant. For dimension formula for Planck's constant, we know very well E is equals to h mu. Here mu is frequency. Mu in the sense a frequency in the reciprocal of time period is called frequency. Am I right? So that what you can take, you can write E is equals to h into 1 by t. Okay, in the place of frequency, you can write 1 by t. So that from this, h is equals to E into t. So from this, for energy dimension formula is ml square t power minus 2 into t. So you will get ml square t power minus 1. This is the dimension formula for the Planck's constant. Like this, for any constant, and a few constants have dimensional formula also. Am I right? So you can able to derive them by using this formula. For example, if you want to derive the dimensional formula of universal gravitational constant, then what you have to do, F is equals to Vm1 m2 by r1 square. From this formula, you have to derive it. Okay? So like this, whatever physical quantity you want, you can derive the dimension formula of any physical quantity. Okay, clear? Hope it is very clear. So you must know the formulas well. Since you are preparing for JEE mains, you know you definitely will remember all the formulas. Okay, so coming to like this, any even some constants will have dimension formulas. Those also you can go with that. Okay, and like for example, Rydberg constant, Planck's constant, and Boltzmann constant, like whatever you want. Okay, you can derive those constant. Okay, now next important use of dimensional formulas. Okay, here principle of homogeneity. This helps, what I'm telling you now helps to solve the many problems, right? Yeah, principle of homogeneity. Okay, homogeneity. So coming to principle of homogeneity, for example, A is equals to B plus C. Here you should remember only one thing. For example, if I ask you to add your weight to your length, is that any meaningful? Right? It's not meaningful, right? It's meaningless. Because you can able to add a physical quantity to same physical quantity only. Am I right or not? Right? Same way here, yeah. Yeah. So here what you can do is you can able to add only similar physical quantities, right? So here, for example, here if in a physical in any physical relation is, I mean, a physical formula is there, A is equals to B plus, here A is one physical quantity, B is and C. Here, if you observe in this formula, whatever the A represents, B also represents the same physical quantity. Okay. At the same time, this C also represents the same physical quantity. For example, if you take V is equals to U plus AT, if you take V is equals to U plus AT, whatever the physical quantity, V is nothing but velocity. Na? So this term also should give the velocity only. This term also should give the velocity only. For example, what is the dimensional formula of velocity? If you take this term, L t power minus 1, what about this term? This is also initial velocity, L t power minus 1 only. And if you take this term, then acceleration is L t power minus 2. And here t is there now. So that what happened now? You will get L t power minus 1. So finally, if you observe carefully, all those terms are all these terms are representing same physical quantity. So this is nothing but a principle of homogeneity. It means that whatever the dimensional formula for A, that should be equal to dimension formula of B, and that should be equal to dimension formula of C. Okay na? So here very important. Okay na? Based on this we can able to solve many formulas, like for example, PV is equals to nRT. Okay na? So like many equations they'll give in that, they'll ask us to find out the dimension formula of some constants. So at that time it helps a lot. Okay. And after next after this, one more is after this conversion of units. The main for let me do it for one more. I did for this now. Let me take S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Okay. Now let me take this for this. If you take then what happened now? If you observe carefully here, S is nothing but displacement. Dimension formula is L. Let us see what is the dimension formula of this. U is nothing but L t power minus 1 into t. Means you are getting L only. Am I right? For this term. What about this term? For this term also, half a t square na. So A in the sense L t power minus 2 into t square. So you are getting L only. So here also, if you observe carefully, all physical quantities we got same, right? Whatever the dimensional formula for this, the same dimensional formula for this, and same for dimensional formula for this also. Okay, now. So very important. Okay, now. So and after this, and after this, conversion of units. We can represent any physical. Next important point is conversion of. We can represent any physical quantity number into unit. Okay, now. These are the, for example, 2 kgs, 2 kgs, right? 2 kgs. 2 is nothing but numerical number, and number into, and kg is nothing but unit. Here, you should remember that number is inversely proportional to unit. For example, here I wrote 2 kgs. So what I can tell instead of 2 kgs, okay, I can write it as it is as a 2000 grams. So if number is less, unit value will be greater. Kilograms. Kilo means 10 to the power of 3. Am I right? Same way, if number is greater, then unit will be small. So that is why number is inversely proportional to unit. So here I can tell you, from this one I can tell you, number into unit is equals to constant, right? So I can tell that n1 u1 is equals to n2 u2. N1 u1 is equals to n2 u2. So this is how you'll get, by using this you can convert from one form to another form. Okay, one unit to another unit. Okay, so numerical value and unit. Okay, na? Very n1 u, it's not v, n1 u1 is equals to n2 u2. Okay, so for example, let we have a small conversion like uh, one newton is equals to 1 newton is equals to how many dynes, right? 1 newton is equals to how many dynes. Here newton is SI unit, dyne is CGS unit. So if you observe carefully here, what is the dimensional formula of Newton force? This is N1. N1 is equals to 1, U1 is equals to Newton, right? I can write dimensional formula of Newton. M L T power minus 2. This is the dimension formula of Newton right now. Whereas coming to the N2, we have to find out N2 only, and then after this you have to go through U2. So whereas coming to U2, U2 is nothing but the CGS units. I will take M2 L2 T to the power minus 2. Here M1 L1 T1. So here N2 is N from this equation. I can write N2 is equals to N1 V1 by N2 V2. Okay. So now from this I can take it as a what I can do it is sorry, N2 is equals to N1 V1 by N1 U1 by N2 U2. Okay. So from this I can write N1 is 1 and U1 is M1 L1 T1 to the power minus 2 by M2 L2 T to the power minus 2. Okay. So now here the relation between them is nothing but, for example, uh, if I take it like so for example M1 is equals to I can take, sorry, it's not writing well. Let me take M1, it is in SI unit, right? And M2 is in CGS unit. So I know that in SI unit, the units are like kg, right? And then, yeah, guys, I'm fine. Thank you. From Kurnool, Bogimadi Reddy. I'm fine and I'm fine. Thank you for your support. Hope you're people preparing well. Yeah. So now coming to M2. M2 is in a CGS unit, right? So in the CGS unit, what we can do is grams is the right. So I can write Bangalore, dear. Now I'm at Bangalore, working in Bangalore. So now I can tell that here I can write M1 as 10 to the power of 3 into M2, because yeah, ask all, I'm good, and tell to all your classmates that I'm fine. After left the campus, I did not meet you people. Okay, yeah, we'll talk definitely. You follow through Instagram. We'll have a talk. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's lagging, right? No teacher is there now. No lecturer is there. Uh, I'll give my number. I'll message you. Okay, in the same box. Okay, I'll send my message. My number. Okay, please. It's my number. Please save it, and we'll have a talk later. Okay. Thank you, dear. So now here, if you observe carefully, M1 is equals to M1 is equals to 10 to the power of 3 into M2, because it is kgs, right? It is grams. So I can write 10 to the power of 3 into grams. No? So means the relation between M1 and M2 like this. And next after this, if you take one more of example, similarly I'll take length is L1 is in meters, right? And whereas coming to L2 centimeters. Okay, now from this I can write I mean L2 as a L2 is equals to sin t in the sense 10 to the power minus 2 into meters. Okay, now. So 10 to the power of minus 2 into meters. So next, after this, L2 is equals to 10 to the power minus 2 into L1. Okay, 10 to the power minus 2 into, this is a formula for L2. Then so that if you take L1, L1 is equals to nothing but 10 to the power of 2 L2. Okay, 10 to the power of 2 L2. And next, similarly, one more time here in CGS unit or SI unit, whatever the unit it is, time is same now. Time, I mean, units are same, seconds only, right? So T1 is equals to, directly I can write T2. So now from this, what I will do is I'll change these units, right? So M1 in the sense I will write M1 like 10 to the power of 3 M2, right? 10 to the power of 3 M2 by M2 into, and then L1 is like 10 to the power of 2 L2 by L2 into T2 by T2. Now these will be L2 cancelled, M2 cancelled. Then you will get 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 2. So that 10 to the power of 5. So this is how you have to solve this, right? Here dimension formulas are helping us to convert units. Okay, now not only this, by use same method you can follow for in the create the new relations also you can use. Okay, now so at the same time, yeah, let's create one new relation here. So for example, let me give the question. For example, let me give one question here. They'll give that time. Okay, the relation between the time, it is depending upon in the question they'll say that time is depending upon the universal gravitational constant and Planck's constant and speed of light. Okay, time is depending upon all these three. Then what is the formula, new relation that we are getting by using these three in terms of time? This is what we have to find. Okay, so for example here, okay, so for example here, uh, if you what you can do is, if you observe G is nothing but, you have to derive the dimension formula of G. If you don't remember this, you should remember what is the formula. So force is equals to G into M1 M2 by R square, right? Now so from this I can write G is equals to force into R square by M1 M2, right? So now here, if you take carefully, if you observe, force is nothing but M L T power minus 2, F is equals to M E N, and L square by M square. So you will have the dimensional formula of G as a M to the power minus 1 L cube T to the power minus 2, right? So now here, this is the dimensional formula of G. And what about H? Just before we derived for the H is, if you don't know, E is equals to H view. I can write it as a E is equals to H into 1 by T. So that H is equals to E into T. Dimensional formula for the H energy, M L square T power minus 2. Okay, ml square T power minus 2. This is the energy formula, and into T. So the dimensional formula of Planck's constant is ml square T power minus 2. Clear? So now here you found H dimension formula, whereas C. Here C is the light speed now. So I can take dimension formula L T to the power minus 1. Okay. So now it's time to create the new relation between time and these. So now here what I do is, yeah, I can tell that a time is directly proportional to G to the power A, H to the power B, c to the power c. Okay, na? So now what is g here? I can write g means m minus 1 L cube t power minus 2 whole to the power a, and then after this h Planck's constant you can write m L square t power minus 2. Okay, and next power b L t power minus 1 whole to the, so L t power minus 1 whole to the power c. Okay, hi dear Surya Charan Reddy. So now here what we can do is you can write it is like m to the power minus a L to the power 3a and t to the power minus 2a, right? And then m to the power b L to the power 2b. Bhargav, hi Bhargav, how are you? Where are you now? T to the power minus 2b, right? And L to the power of c, t to the power of minus c. So now you can write it as m to the power of minus a plus b, minus a plus b, and then Bhargav, hope preparing well. Where are you now? L to the power 3a plus 2b plus c also is there, right? Yeah. Next, t to the power minus 2a minus 2b minus c. So now what you have to do is you have to make it equal to time. Here t na here. So t to the power 1. That's it, right? Na? So now m to the power minus a plus b is equals to 0, and 3a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0, and then minus 2a minus 2b minus c is equals to 1. Okay, so from these three equations, what you can do is you can find out AB values. If you find, for example, from this B is equals to A. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Bhargav. I hope in Nandiala Narayana, you changed, right? So B is, hey, journal students. Thank you, guys. Thank you for remembering me. I'm fine, Ra. I'm fine. Uh, Nana Bahubali Salar. Can you place your name? So from this you can find your uh, constant values, right? Here 3a plus, I will write in the place of b a only, because that c is equals to 0. Then what happen here? I'll get hey Irfan Basha Yunus Bonara Kiran. Yeah, I'm good. I'm very good here. So let me have talk to you some. Let me solve this problem, and I'll come to you. We'll have talk. Just a minute. Okay, just a minute. Completed. So now what happened? 5a plus c is equals to 0. Okay, now 5a plus c is equals to 0, and then minus 2a minus 2b. B is equals to a, na? Hey Bimesh, how are you? Just a second. Just a second. We'll complete this. Okay, minus 2a minus c is equals to 1. Here minus 4a is equals minus c, that is equals to Re, I'll come, Re. No need to miss. If you want anything, just we'll have contact through YouTube. No problem. In the message, I gave my number. You check there once. Hmm? Minus 4a is equals to 1 plus c. Okay, na? Take this above. A value and substitute in this. Just a minute, let me complete this. We'll have talk. So from this, you can do is what you can do is, or else you can take from this value and substitute. You can tell that minus 4a minus 1 is equals to c. Substitute in this. So 5a 5a plus c na minus 4a minus 1 is equals to 0. So here what happened? 4a 5a 4a 5 in the sense just a minus 1 is equals to 0, right? So a is equals to 1. If a is equals to 1, b also is equals to 1 only. Hi, Aizaz, Vedullah. Yeah, guys, you got a value, b value is 1, a value also is 1, and c value is from this minus 4 minus 1 is equals to c. So you'll get minus 5 is equals to c. Okay, now fine, Rare. Tabrij. Fine, fine. I'm very fine. Hope you all fine. Guys, let you people. Okay, let me have a talk to you first. Let me have a talk to you people. Yeah, I'll stop. I'll stop with this because you people are my old students. No, I'll come to campus. I'll come to campus definitely. Definitely, I'll come to campus. But the thing is, mm, I'll try to come to campus. Okay, I try to come many times, but even fires are also should be there at that time when I come to campus. Bangalore, rare. Bangalore. I'm at Bangalore. I'm at Bangalore. Try to teach something. Oh, do one thing. We'll have one class, long class for tomorrow. I mean, one Sunday. Dear, I'll do one thing. What I'll do is, I may not come because now also my present students have exam now. Hi, Rare. Hi, hi, hi. I'll come in Sankranti holidays. Aju, good morning. Good morning, Aju. And then, no need to miss Rare. Yeah, of course. Hairstyle బాగుంది కదా. Mm, no, no, no. I stopped. Not only you, dear. Many people are stopped. That's what I stopped with this, and I'll continue once again. So it's important to speak to you people after a long time. After a long time now, almost it is 9 months. That's what. Yes, you can keep messages. I'll talk. Insta ID. Yeah, I'll copy here. Once let me find my Insta ID. Follow my Instagram, dears. I'm continuously touching that. Mm, Hariprasad 105. Let me type it here. Let me type it here. Narayana, Bangalore Narayana. Yeah, make a call, dear. Gaurav sir. Make a call. No worries. Hari Prasad. See, I'm giving my Insta ID here. So just follow it. It will follow back. Okay. Hari Prasad 105. Yeah, this is my Insta ID. Check it once. Follow it. Good afternoon, Ajju. Good afternoon. Oh, Inayat sir asking. Uh, my colleague. I missed him a lot. Good company he's used to give. Thank you, sir. Inayat sir. Thank you very much for remembering me. Welcome, sir. In Sankranti holidays, welcome. I'll meet you. Mm, No worry, dear. I'll do one thing. In January 1st, we'll have live session. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, I know that your campus is changed. Yeah, I'll call him. I'll call him after completion. No, no, actually, what happened, my mail ID and their contacts were deleted. That's what I missed all the numbers. Even a fire number also I have missed it. I'm waiting for their calls actually. ఏం బాగాలేదు ఆ క్యాంపస్. బాగుంటది రే ఏం కాదు. క్యాంపస్ ఏదైనా మనం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేది కదా. చేస్తా. ఇనాయత్ సార్ కాల్ చేస్తా. ఇనాయత్ సార్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఫయజ్ సార్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోవాలి. అందరి నెంబర్ మిస్ అయిపోయానన్న. స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్. బ్యాకప్ పెట్టుకోలేదు. సో దట్ ఐ లాస్ట్ ద కాంటాక్ట్స్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్. బట్ థ్యాంక్స్ లాట్ రే. ఇప్పుడు కాల్ చేయమంటారా? ఆస్క్ ఇనాయత్ సార్ టు వన్స్ కాల్ మీ నౌ. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్. ఒక్కసారి కాల్ చేయమని చెప్పండి సార్ నాకు. గోదావరి భాషలో మాట్లాడాలా? గోదావరి భాషలో మాట్లాడదు అంతేరా రే. అది ఆటోమేటిక్ వస్తుంది రే. ఈరోజు హాలిడే. అందుకే కదా స్టార్ట్ చేసా యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, లెట్ ఇట్ బి. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐల్ స్టార్ట్. ఊరమా సరే. గోదావరి ఉప్పు చేప. రా సంక్రాంతికి వెళ్దాం. లెట్స్ గో టు అవర్ విలేజ్ ఫర్ సంక్రాంతి ఇఫ్ యూ కమ్. ఇంకా యా గైస్, అయితే రెడీగా ఉండు. ఐల్ కమ్ టు కర్నూల్ ఎట్ 11 by 11th I'll come. We have holidays at 10th. By 11th we'll come, and then if you want we'll move. ఏ మీన్స్ ఉందా? మరి అదే కదా అందరి బాధ. ఏం కాదులే. I'll come Ravi. I'll come 11th. I'll meet you all. Waiting. Waiting for. వన్స్ కామెంట్లు ఇచ్చాను ఆల్రెడీ ఇంతకు ముందు. స్టార్టింగ్లోకి వెళ్ళిన కామెంట్స్లో స్టార్టింగ్లోనే ఇచ్చాను నా ఫోన్ నెంబర్, ఇన్స్టా ఐడి కూడా ఇచ్చా చూడు. 2 కామెంట్స్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ సేవ్ దెమ్ అండ్ విల్ హ్యావ్ టాక్. ఓకే. వాట్ ఎల్స్ గైస్? So I'll change. So wait. Okay. Now, hey, my child is my daughter is excellent. She is now, yeah, she's doing too good. She's doing too good. చాలా బాగుంది. యా నౌ ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. మై డాటర్ నేమ్ ఇస్ శర్వాణి రే. మై డాటర్ నేమ్ ఇస్ శర్వాణి అండ్ శర్వాణి హరి. థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Yo, she's too active. She looks like me only. Follow my Insta. Her photos are there in that. How cute she is. And everyone is telling that she looks like me. Thank you, Surya. Yeah, thanks, guys. Feeling very happy. How is new campus and food? How is your practice? Doing well. Still 20 days only, na? ఏం బాలేదా? అంటే సర్లే ఇంక అయిపోయింది కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయలేం. బట్ మెయిన్స్ 1, మెయిన్స్ 2 బాగా ఫోకస్ చేయండి. Most of the people could able to score in the mains 1 రా. అస్సలు బాలేదు క్యాంపస్. అలా అని కాదు. ఐల్ డూ వన్ థింగ్. ఈరోజు ఈవినింగ్ ఇంకొక సెషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా. మొత్తం ఎంటైర్ ఫిజిక్స్ ఆల్ లెసన్స్ రివైజ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంటే ఇలా ఐ మీన్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది కదా. సో వాట్ ఐల్ డూ ఈస్ ఎంటైర్ ఫిజిక్స్ ఐల్ గివ్. యా, అండర్స్టూడ్ అజ్జు. ఓకే, బట్ వాట్ ఐల్ డూ ఈస్ ఐల్ గివ్ ఎంటైర్ ఫిజిక్స్ యాజ్ ఏ one shot videos. Okay, only in the view of your JEE means. కిరణ్ వాళ్ళ మామ నా ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్. ఓ, ఇది ఇట్స్ అకాడమిక్ పరంగా అయితే ఓకే. ఓకే, దెన్ గుడ్ గుడ్. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఒకవేళ ఫిజిక్స్ ప్రాబ్లం అయితే కనుక ఐ గివ్ లైవ్ ఓన్లీ ఫార్ములాస్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ లెసన్ అండ్ ఇన్ ద వ్యూ ఆఫ్ JEE means, and we'll solve the PYQs also. Sai Kaushik, yeah, sure, you make a call. Azu, you can make a call in the afternoon. I'm free only. We'll talk. Journal, thanks, Journal guys. Making me feel happy. Hey guys, you can keep messages. You can make a call in the All day sessions I'm available. Okay. You keep WhatsApp message me. I'll send all the PDFs, whatever you want. All lessons, my hand notes, you know that my hand notes is right. So those also I have. I'll send you them. Okay. Everything, whatever, even my handwriting notes is there. That also I'll send you people. Okay. 8790658133. Okay. You don't whatever the help you want from me, I can do without any hesitation. Okay. Make sure that. Don't worry about it. Okay now. Yeah, Ju, please you send message. Okay. Sai Kaushik, sir, long hair బాగున్నారా? తర్వాత జస్ట్ బిఫోర్ గుండు కూడా గీయించా తిరుమల వెళ్ళి డాక్టర్ పుట్టిందిగా సో అప్పుడే గుండు గీయించాను దాని తర్వాత ఈ స్టైల్కి వచ్చా గైస్ ప్లీజ్ స్టిల్ గైస్ సో ఐ హోప్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రీ టు స్టిల్ గైస్ okay I have given my number in the comment section. Please you make a call and I'll send you the PDF, all the PDFs, whatever you want. Okay, formulas, only formulas are conceptual wise, everything else. Okay, na? Yeah, hope everything is fine. Prepare well, and revise because it's a hard work of 2 years. Okay, na? Yeah, yeah. No issue, dear Aju. No issue, not disturbing. It's important for me to talk to you people after long time. Uh, right after left the campus, no contact with you people. I didn't have enough time, and also same problem. You people are too busy with your schedule. So now I'm free. Okay. Uh, Thank you guys for your support. Thanks a lot. And that's it. Okay. Yeah, I know. I just in the starting itself you kept your name now. Yeah. Bahubali Salar. ఇంకా ఫిజిక్స్ ఇంకా ప్రభాస్ పడినారా నువ్వు డిడ్ యూ స్లీప్ వెల్ టుడే సార్ బాగానే నిద్రపోయా నిద్రమత్తులో కనబడుతుందా ఫేస్ ఫేక్ ఐడినా వాట్ ఫేక్ ఐడిరా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారా రే హౌ కుడ్ ఐ ఫర్గెట్ యూనస్ ఇర్ఫాన్ మీ బ్యాచ్ కిరణ్ ఓకే ఎలా ఉన్నారా రోహిత్ రోహిత్ నీ నెంబర్ కూడా మిస్ అయింది రే దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ రిప్లై టు యూ ఐ మీన్ నాట్ రిప్లై ఐ ట్రై టు కాల్ యూ మెనీ టైమ్స్ కౌశిక్ ఏయ్ అందరూ జోనాల్లోనే ఉన్నారా ఓ ఫేక్ ఐడి ఫర్ లిజనింగ్ క్లాసెసా అర్థమైంది ఎన్ని కష్టాలు పడుతున్నారా రే సండే కదా హౌ కుడ్ ఐ ఫర్గట్ రా ఎలా మర్చిపోతాం భగీరథ క్యాంపస్, జోనల్ జాగ్వర్స్. రిజల్ట్లో కూడా అలా అనిపించాలి రీ. రిజల్ట్లో కూడా అలా అనిపిస్తే బాగుంటుంది. చేయండి, ట్రై చేయండి. మీ లెవెల్ బెస్ట్ ట్రై చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే పాపం రోహిత్ గారు మంచి బ్యాచ్, మీరంతా బాగా ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తారు. లక్, బ్యాడ్ లక్, మిమ్మల్ని మిస్ అయ్యా. ఎస్, కరెక్ట్, బట్ విల్ పీపుల్ గెట్ గుడ్. గుర్తున్నారా? ఎందుకు మర్చిపోతారా రే? నేను ఇంకా కర్నూలులో ఉన్నా. ఈవెన్ మై డాటర్ మై డాటర్ ఆల్సో మై డాటర్ ఆల్సో ఈజ్ ఇన్ కర్నూలు ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. సేమ్ హౌస్. ఇప్పుడు మీ క్యాంపస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ క్యాంపస్ పక్కన జస్ట్ ఒక 1/2 కిలోమీటర్ డిస్టెన్స్ అంతే. తప్పకుండా పోయామంటే ఆ రోజు ఏజిఎం సార్తో గొడవ. సో లెఫ్ట్. మళ్ళీ క్యాంపస్ అడుగు పెట్టలా సీరియస్గా. షూర్ షూర్, క్యాంపస్కి అయితే వస్తా. యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ ధీరజ్ శ్రీవాత్స. యా యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ డియర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. Are you expecting anything from my channel? I mean, what kind of stuff you are expecting? Dheeraj, thank you for supporting me. Come to our campus, please, today. Ray, how could I'm in now in Bangalore, not in Kurnool. Like, come to Kurnool. I'll come to Kurnool like on 11th. I'm planning for coming at January 1st. If I come, I'll meet you. Okay? Dheeraj Srivastav, you could comment me whatever the content you like expecting from me. Okay? Thank you, thank you. Wastara re. When I come, definitely I'll meet. Okay? Bhagirath campus. I'll come along with Inayat sir. I need to meet Inayat sir and Fayaz sir. I need to meet all of them. Fayaz sir is in Bangalore only. Many times I met him after came to, I mean, sorry, after coming to Kurnool, many times I met them. Okay? Yeah, what else, guys? So, felt very happy by meeting all you. Okay? Mm, okay, guys. I'll again restart my live session. I mean, I thought to teach continuously until 11th year syllabus. I mean, 11th standard syllabus. It became a small gap. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. రే ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నారు అది? ఎనీ గర్ల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ I can't read that comment రే. But they're watching ra. They're watching and uh, Wells campus, 3 4 members. 3 4 members. Are there? Many are there. They were in contact. Now and then they used to messages. How are they also asking my data photo so that mm, yeah, they were okay, 4 5 members. 4 5 members were contact. ఓకే. యాహ్! దట్స్ ఇట్. ఇంకే ఫోన్ నంబర్లు కావాలా ఏంది కొంపదీసి? ఏరా? ఓకే. కిరణ్ అండ్ రోహిత్, ఐజాజ్, కౌశిక్. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. We'll meet you. Oh, the next. Oh, I hope you are in the class. And I gave already. I gave already. Once you check in the comments, I gave my Insta ID. So please follow me. Okay. You can see my daughter photo also. I like her much. Message me. Insta ID I gave na. See there once. Hariprasad @105. I'll pin this Insta ID. ఓకే. ప్రిన్సిపల్ క్లాస్‌లోనే వాడుతున్నారు కదరా మీరు ఫోన్‌లు. యాహ్! పిన్ చేశాను. ఓకేనా? ఇన్‌స్టా ఐడీ ఐ గేవ్. ఆహ్, ఓకేరా రేయ్! జాగ్రత్త మళ్ళీ ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ దగ్గర తిడతారు. బై రే! బై. థాంక్ యూ ఆల్. థాంక్ యూ. అబ్బా! వాట్స్ బ్రేక్? ఓహ్! ట్యాబా? ఐ డిడ్న్ట్ గెట్ యూ. వాట్ యూ ఆర్ సేయింగ్? ఓహ్! ఇప్పుడు బ్రేకా? ఓకే. సో, ఇప్పుడు బ్రేక్ సో దట్ ట్యాబ్‌లో చేస్తా ఆహా! ట్యాబ్‌లో క్రియేట్ చేసి అర్థమైందిరా రేయ్! అయినా మీ రూమ్‌లు చెక్ చేయాలిరా. ఖచ్చితంగా మొబైల్ ఫోన్స్ బయట పడతాయి. ఆ! యాహ్! ఓకే గైస్. థాంక్ యూ. క్యారీ ఆన్. We'll have we'll have time. Okay. Thank you guys. Yeah. Thank you all of you. It's my actually first trial to have the proper class, but it went in some other way. Dinakar, hi, how are you, Dinakar? Yeah, bye Nana. ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ దొరకండి రే ట్యాబ్లు యూస్ చేస్తూ ఈ లైవ్ చూస్తే తెలిసిపోతులేరా రికమెండెడ్ యా దినకర్ టెల్ మీ యా అండర్స్టూడ్ జోనల్ హౌ ఆర్ యూ హౌ వాజ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ డియర్ guys I gave my Insta ID in the session comment. I pin it. Okay, na? Check it and follow it. We'll have in contact. Yeah, fine. I'm fine, Ray. How's the preparation for JEE? Yeah, guys. Thanks for support, you guys. Thank you very much. Uh, okay, Dinakar. I mean, Telugu in the sense, I'm Telugu guy. Yeah, I mean they are my old students, so that I'm talking to her after a long time, and they are from Telugu people, so obviously I use Telugu. Yeah, thank you guys for all your support. Now I'll come back to my teaching. Okay, I'll end this session and I'll start new session because I want I want uh, entire session with a purely subject. So I utilized this session for to speak with my students. Kindly forgive me. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I'll come up with the new session. Okay. Thank you.